In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a custom size here in Canva. Now, this is really easy to do. Once you're logged into Canva and on the home page like this, we simply want to come to here where it says custom size. Now, if we click on there, we have a few different options. If you've already created something here in Canva, you're going to get your recent sizes just here. And if you haven't, we can choose the one that we want. We can choose between pixels, inches, millimeters and centimeters as well. For this example, I'm going to choose inches. Then I can simply put whatever the size is that I want to use. For this example, we'll go with 8.5 times 11. Now, as we can notice underneath, we also do get some suggestions with a planner, planner cover, diary, and a few others, but this is going to be for 8.5 times 11. We can then click on Create New Design. It's going to open our brand new project with our new dimensions, and if you want to just check your dimensions, we can simply come to File just here, and it's going to tell us the size just here. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a custom size here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.